Assalamu alaikum. I'm Romana Shabnam, welcoming you all to the English language period of class 3. This is our first class on your annual examination syllabus, and today we are going to learn lesson 12 from your Lexis Smart grammar book. In lesson 12, the topic is nouns, possessions. So today we will first discuss on possessions, then we will solve worksheet A and worksheet B. So let's get started. We should know first what is possessions. Possession means belonging, to have something or to own something. To show possession, we use apostrophe S. This sign is called an apostrophe. If a plural noun ends in S, we don't use apostrophe S. We just use an apostrophe. Example, friend. The possessive form is friends. We are adding here apostrophe and S. Boy, boys. We are adding here apostrophe and S. But in girls, the possessive form is girls. We are adding here only apostrophe, not S. Students, students. Adding only apostrophe, but no S. Here are some more examples. Read the following sentences. This house belongs to Mr. George. The school of the boys is closed. Now read these sentences. This is Mr. George's house. The boys' school is closed. In the second set of sentences, we have used apostrophe to indicate possession. I hope possession is clear to you now. Let's solve the worksheet.
Dear students, now we will solve worksheet A. Here you have to rewrite these expressions using apostrophe S or only apostrophe. Then you have to use them in sentences of your own. Number 1, the purse belongs to my sister. If we use apostrophe and S here, the answer will be my sister's purse. Now you have to make sentence with this. Here I have written my sister's purse is new. Similarly, number 2, the dress belongs to my mother. If we add apostrophe and S, the answer will be my mother's dress. And the sentence here is my mother's dress is pretty. 3. The book written by Rabindra Tagore. The answer is Rabindra Tagore's book. And the sentence I have written, Rabindra Tagore's book is my favorite. Number 4. The marks obtained by Nisha. The answer is Nisha's marks. And the sentence I have written, Nisha's marks are poor. Number 5. The letter written by my grandmother. The answer is my grandmother's letter. And the sentence will be my grandmother's letter is interesting. Number 6. The college of the boys. Here the answer will be the boys' college. Dear students, notice here we haven't add apostrophe and S. We have only add an apostrophe because the noun boys ends with a S. So it will be boys' college. We have to add only apostrophe. And the sentence here is the boys' college is open. 7. Return gifts for the ladies. The answer is the ladies return gifts. Here same, the noun has S at the end, so we have add just an apostrophe. The sentence here is the ladies return gifts are expensive. 8. The poem written by Rana. The answer is Rana's poem. And the sentence is Rana's poem is nice. 9. The belonging of the women. The answer is the women's belonging. And the sentence I have written, the women's belonging is a land only. 10. The tail of the cow. The answer is the cow's tail. And the sentence is, the cow's tail is long. 11. The horn of the bull. The answer is, the bull's horn. And the sentence I have written, the bull's horn are sharp. 12. My advice given by my teacher. Here the answer is, my teacher's advice. And the sentence, my teacher's advice is important. Now worksheet B. Here you have to underline the noun in each sentence that should be possessive. Then you have to write it correctly after the sentence. The first one has been done for you, so I'm starting from the second one. 2. A sincere person compliment is valuable. Dear student, which is the noun here? Person. Yes, so you have to underline person. Then what is the possessive form of person? Persons. We are adding here apostrophe and s. 3. Mrs. Grape's class has a great view. Here Mrs. Grapes is the noun, so you have to underline Mrs. Grapes, and the possessive form will be Mrs. Grapes, adding apostrophe and s. Number 4. This is Jill's house. Jill is the noun here, so underline Jill, and the possessive form will be Jill's, adding apostrophe and s. 5. Gordon's mother is a dentist. Here Gordon is the noun, so you have to underline Gordon, and the possessive form will be Gordon's. We are adding here apostrophe and s. Number 6. Put the box in Collins' office. Which is the noun here? Collins. Yes, you have to underline Collins. Then what is the possessive form of Collins? Collins, adding apostrophe and s. Number 7. The lamp's base is broken. So lamp is the noun here, so underline lamp, and the possessive will be lamps, adding apostrophe and s. 8. My sisters' names are Kate and Kiki. Sisters is the noun here, and the possessive form is sisters, adding only apostrophe, because the noun has s at the end, so we have to add only apostrophe. 9. We enjoyed the children's play. Here children is the noun, so you have to underline children, and the possessive form will be children's, adding apostrophe and s. 10. Amy's report card was wonderful. Amy is the noun here, so underline Amy, and the possessive form will be Amy's, adding apostrophe and s. 11. The little baby's nursery had 12 beds. Which is the noun here? Babies. Yes, underline babies. And the possessive form will be babies, adding only apostrophe because the noun has s at the end. 12. The girls' outfits were exactly the same. Which is the noun here? Girls. So underline girls. And the possessive form will be girls, adding only apostrophe. 13. We are proud of Chris' performance. Here noun is Chris, so you have to underline Chris, and the possessive form will be Chris, adding only apostrophe because the noun has s at the end. 14. The sky's color is changing. Which is the noun here? Sky. So you have to underline sky, and the possessive form will be skies, adding apostrophe and s. 15. My horse name is Swampai Goose Sihoof. So here noun is horse, you have to underline horse, and the possessive form is horses, adding apostrophe and s. 16. The dog's collar is too large. Which is the noun here? Dog. So underline dog, and the possessive form will be dogs, adding apostrophe and s. That's all for today. Practice at home by writing on your Lexis book. Okay, thank you.